Okay, guys, how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So basically, firstly, just open a browser and search for VirtualBox download or download VirtualBox. Then click on the first link you see. As you can see, yeah. So now you can see there are different platforms here that you can choose from, but for me I'm going for Windows, so just click on the first one that says Windows. Wait for it to download, give it some time. So give it some time to install. So once it is downloaded, you double click on it or you locate it on your files just like this and double click on it to run it, so you get it installed on your system. Okay, click on next or install. You click on I agree, click on next. Just follow the steps as I go. It's my click on okay. But since for me I already have it installed on my system, so I won't finish up the installation, but make sure you do for yours. Next, you have to go back to your browser and search for VM. You need to search for Kali ISO file download, because we will need that to be able to install Kali Linux on the virtual box. So you click on the first link, hit on where it says disk image, then you hit on pre-built VMs at the top. Then you click on, you can use the download the one that says VirtualBox or the one that says VMware. They are both compatible for the installation, so anyone you download is going to work. So you just make sure you download one of them. It will take some time, but it will eventually download. So once it's download, go back to your VirtualBox, open it. As I told you, I already have mine installed before, so just click on new. So you give it a name. For me, I've used Kali. Then you have to select the ISO file you downloaded from your browser. So for me, I just going to pick mine to go to my, just locate it, make sure you locate it to your folder and just select it just like this. Okay, so just leave everything else as default, hit on next or finish. Yeah, so now as you can see we have it now, so you have to power it on. Just double click on it to power on. So give it some time to load. So please you click on graphical installation, give it some time. As you can see, I'm going to run Kali. So now you pick a language. For me, I'm using English. So you press on next, continue, and pick on next. So just follow the steps as I do mine. So you give it a name, Kali. For me, I'm using Kali. You can just use Kali as your default name if you don't know a stable name, because you will not want to forget these names. So I give it also Kali for my host name, and you choose a strong. You have to choose a strong password also. But for here, you give it Kali also. Click on next. Now you have to choose a strong password. You can use Kali as your password so that you don't forget it. So for me, I'm just going to use my password. I'm just going to use my password. So click on it. After you do that, click on next to install. You give it some time. You don't need to partition the disks, just use entire disks. Yeah, no need to partition, just click on continue. Don't have to partition, just click on continue. Yeah, click on continue also. So click on continue. Yeah, click on continue also. Yes, you see yes to this. So you click on this and press continue also. You let it load for a while, it's gonna take some time. Just let it. It's gonna take some time, so just let it do its thing. I'm gonna continue. Okay, so now I think installation is complete, I'll advise you to reboot this before turning it on again, but for me I just use the F12 key to reboot mine. I use the F12 key to reboot yours. So press on the F12 key to reboot it. Okay, as you can see now we have Kali here. You just have to use the username and password we used when creating it then. So just for me I used Kali as my username and my password. So we're trying to input now and login. Okay, here we have Kali running on VirtualBox. This Kali running on VirtualBox. You can see this is the terminal. And just see, enlarge this. Okay, so just ls to list. As you can see, these are the default directories on the PC. So, and these are the different apps you can use for your pen testing, for red team engagement and others. So thank you for the time. Make sure to drop a like and drop a comment. Also, thank you, Avish here. So just power off. Power off, just click on it. Click on this, or right click on the virtual machine, and then you have to shut down the virtual machine. Yeah, just shut down. Yes, just like that. And thank you.